Let's see what Valentine's decor I got from Amazon. Debbie's Mindless Happy Place, I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. So today we are going to be opening a few things that I got to finish my Valentine's decor for my dining room and my shadow box, which is in my dining room. So I'm gonna show you the items. They'll be linked in the description below. And at the end of the video, stay tuned and I'll be showing you how it looks in my dining room. I think it looks super cute. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a set that came together, and it's for a tiered tray, which I have one of those in my dining room. So hang on just a minute. So this was all set, so it all came together. And I just now saw this. I thought they were blank blocks, but they're not. Ever so slightly, that says love on it. Whoops. See it for a second. It's really faint. I may have to paint over it and make it brighter. But yeah, it says love. It says love. And this says more. This says you. So love you more. So those are cute. I thought they were blank, but even blank, they were cute because they're pretty Valentine's-y colors. Especially the conversational heart kind of theme that I went with this year. Home is where the love is. This one has all your conversational hearts on it. This has all your conversation hearts on it. This has a bunch of hearts on it on a rolling pin. Cute. This says X's and O's. One says love. And a little ladder. And conversation hearts in a little banner. All across there. And a tree. Not a string. Theme. And everything that was in this set. That all came together, and I will link it in the description below so you can check it out on Amazon. Alright, next I'm super excited about seeing if this works. It's round and my table is square, but look how cute this is. It's got all the conversation hearts on it, and I'm going to try it on my table. I think it's a super cute tablecloth. So we'll see how it works. Then I got pillowcase coverings for my 18-inch by 18-inch pillows in there for Valentine's Day. There's Be Mine. I'm just really into the whole pillow covers. It's something that you can do that doesn't take a lot but decorates a wide space. I like them. Into right now. Hugs and kisses. And love you. So those are super. That's all on that side. Oh, no, it's not. I have one more thing. Well, this was all set also. So this all came together. It's got the little stackable books, and it says Happy Valentine's Day. And then it came with 4 conversation hearts, X's and O's, hug me, kiss me, and be mine. Next, I got these cute little conversation hearts that are on a stand. So they're cute, super cute, and it says sweetheart. Hug me. Cutie pie. X's and O's. Kiss me. And be mine. Next, I got a set of the conversation hearts, so hang on. It came together and it had 6 pieces. Cutie pie, kiss me, hug me, X's and O's, sweetheart, and be mine. And I have to say that this is the only thing that I got that I thought would be bigger. They're actually smaller. And I thought they would be more that size, so you can see the size difference on that one. Put it against something that's a different color. So that's the size difference. So not bad, but I thought they'd be a little bit bigger than that. All right, next thing I'm really excited for because it's like two signs that hang on, that hang. And one side is Valentine's Day, and then the other side is Easter, and it has peeps, the bunny peeps for the Easter, and I'm really into the peeps. So this is super cute, I thought. And so it has the conversations on hearts on the one side, and it has the little bunnies on the other side. Super cute. Conversation hearts and bunnies. So you can use it for more than one season. I thought that was really cute. Last but not least, kind of a random item. I just picked up some of this kind of like floral, like hearts that can go in with all my floral arrangements and stuff and make it look more Valentine's-y. So I picked those up. So, and that's everything that I got for my Valentines to finish out my dining room. And so I will show you here in a second how it turned out, and I think it looks amazing. So I will see you on the next video, but stay tuned to see what's at the end of the video and how it turned out. My Valentine pillows, they look very adorable. I like them. So here is my dining room. The tablecloth worked just so perfect. And then my 3-tiered tray. Shelves or my shadow box in my dining room.